A very good morning today.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm pretty well by the grace of Almighty Allah. And how about you?
I'm also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Thank
Thanks.
you.
Could I know your full name, please?
Yeah, sure. My full name is Fatima Tabassum Oishi, but you may call me Oishi if you feel free with me.
What's your daily routine?
My daily routine is, as I haven't started my college right now. Right now, I just wake up in the morning and then I come to Rahat's English Care. And after my classes, I go to my house and then I try to do many kind of new things, such as my improving my language proficiency, and then I started to do some batches for my science subjects, and then I spend some times with my family as usual, and then I teach my siblings a little bit of maths or stuffs like subjects, and then at night I gossip with my father a bit, and then again I finish all my homeworks and just sleep.
Oh my goodness. You teach your little sister.
Little brother,
Oh,
sister,
little
sometimes
brother.
a little.
Do you love teaching?
Yes, I love teaching. I really love teaching because I think teaching makes me remember things more clearly. Whenever I make anyone understand anything, it also makes clear in my mind too.
Do you love traveling by train or public transport? That means bus.
So
Which one is favorite? Train or bus?
I love train because it's more relaxed. Going in a train, experiencing the beautiful nature is really great. And train journey is more comfortable, I think, because sometimes bus seems very crowded, and in bus it's more or less air pollution. So I prefer in train.
Train. Have you ever been to Cox's Bazar?
No, I have never been to Cox's Bazar, sadly.
Okay, will you go?
Yeah, inshallah, when I will get time, I will definitely go to Cox's Bazar.
Don't you love traveling?
Yes, I really love traveling, but I just couldn't make the chance to go there. But I have went Kuakatapi last time.
Well, this is very personal questions. What does your father do, and how much do you love your father?
My father is currently a government banker. He's working at Rupali Bank Limited, and he's a very hardworking person. I love my father very much. Whenever we get time, we talk with each other, we gossip with each other, we go traveling together or eating outside at any kind of restaurants. My father also handles a little bit of businesses, so sometimes we don't get enough time to talk with each other, but whenever we get time with each other, we always talk and share our daily experiences together.
Well, do you have any good experience or good experience with your father?
Yes, I definitely have good experiences. Especially experiences are engaged with my traveling. As I said, I went to Kuakata last year, and there I traveled a lot of places with my father. We went to the beach together, we ate foods together, and we had a lot of gossip. We had gossip together a lot, and there are also some good experience like gossiping, then sharing experiences with each other.
Could you tell me something about your mom?
My mom? Yeah, sure. My mom is a housewife and she's a very sweet and beautiful woman I have ever seen. My mom is a very hardworking person. She always maintains all the three of us, as we are three siblings. My mom manages my other siblings study a lot, and then she also remembers everyone's routine, and she's a very charming person. She's a very pious person.
Drop a message about your mom. What will you say? Just one line. Which didn't say ever in front of your mom.
I like to say there are many moments
Did you say, Mom, I love you? Did you say?
no, I have never said that to her directly, but I really love her. She is really sweet and always motivates me, always inspired me to walk forward in my life, and she always motivates me to work harder, and she always supports my dream.
Where is your home district?
My home district is in Lakshmipur, which is a beautiful city, and whenever I visit Lakshmipur, I feel so good because the relatives and the people here are very cooperative, and in Lakshmipur there are many natural beauties, like there are many little kind of beaches, there are many kind of fisheries, and recently Lakshmipur has improved a lot. There are many tourist spots too, so I feel proud of my place.
When did you go there last?
Lakshmipur. It's been a long time. It's about 1 year I have went there. 1 year ago, yes.
So this is the last one. And what's your opinion about your favorite institute? That means Rahat's English Care.
In my opinion, Rahat's English Care is a great place. If you want to learn English, it's a great place because in Rahat's English Care, you get to know many kind of vocabularies, many kind of sentences, and many good instructions. It makes you to speak English habitually. It creates a habit so that you can practice English well. So if you have the ability and you have the real wish to practice English, I think Rahat's English Care is a great option for you.
Well, thank you very much.